Memo akwaba ediba attention TV eso abusia ha social media channel a yede ensem ekoso ewagana memo ha say ebesomo attention TV so mamenka wo say subscribe to YouTube channel and subscribe for me yenko pio so Facebook and so you follow for me, like, comment and also share our both sides and na Gaisie Annan nsem edapono so a ensem a woka ni na edeko editia Kweku Annan kamia kwese nche bia na honorable Kennedy Japan ensem abetoto aboti a wochiri ma kire se Kweku Annan koye obi a na the hot seat ono ana na etoso na so kamia koye se edu babi no nani tira nani ntom a wode ye bi mane vice president Mahamudu Bawumia eno ana gina so a kamia koye se wode epamo Kweku Annan edi free net 2 na eno wechire ne kan gofofofo anankofo binumo so ebeye Expōsēs bia wochire ma kire se kamia koye se ye di Kweku Annan etna the hot seat so no and the bribery and corruption and so so a na the tikani na ekoni butum ene sofo ana abekasa ede afa na sofo Nigel Gaisie ye na enim se Nigel Gaisie so akoye obi ono so ne ho nsem ewo Ghana ha no ma ebonkrase ne kobi eno ti yenko na yenko tie Nigel Gaisie embra
and normal wo me archives mo ewo me TV studio ho maybe Ghanaian didn't know and maybe can I report honorable no nimya branch and the platform ayo yes and you see minimum normal bebre but bibia na mechanism see at the right time. Yeah. He was using that platform even to work against the
Yes, yeah, that's a said name you may waje penny so near between nkomo kakra. Na but you also watch Jumadi bi say ya wo ye no Angel TV near that TV stations and you but Jumadi no batch friend say.
Okay, again me that was Messia Asantira Otumfo Mechia Obibia Mechia ye papa near station and the no one kasa and no party and come kasa but say na o tie ne to answer the question my starting program there for Jabez Cry a bar angel any online baby every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 10 p.m. to 12 minutes. Into Santa Mani will be
oh wow! It's 10 p.m. Biano or TV no so. Yeah,
10 p.m. to 12 minutes. Monday be a Tuesday be a Wednesday be a 3 days in a week. So far so good.
But your TV channels near the Angel TV and
the Angel TV, Top TV, and the Hill TV.
Okay, that's it. You begin in action at the same time.
At the same time, as about on my online portals, or Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, and YouTube. But me now, Angel TV in the topic, Angel for her pa.
Wow.
Me bomb my boss, Angel for her pa. Course never all the networks na Angel na a topic.
Yeah, that's a pa. Yamishin show pa so.
Amen.
Prophet, wait there. Edika my dad semester da CBM say now you adwen say nka won kasa but minti obekasa. Emrebi ekoba say honorable ne owi Kweku Annan no mo ye program on 2 ema me nka hu say da kokora atwa mo ye program Prophet Nigel Gaisie din amemuda. De bia na utu aso live. It one day am say na we hear live on Facebook and bibisa and I feel come she be mu say sa brand friend Kweku Annan no obegu eye honorable anim ase na honorable pamo no because oye neme bi emfata ne ade enamafo anyina hu say sa come she dey ko Facebook ni ade amafa ko fa videos no e de to the status ni ade wo ye no ade na wo kan
like mesa adawasibie and a commercial so there around this time there will be a TO program it's meda otum for us medan paying for the obibia OTA a software paying for our more commercial obibia with chioma. Now to answer your question it's unfortunate say but so the last 2 years or before the election they made it a point say they denigrate the church. They made it a point and they selected some few men of God. They saw say young commission in here can see as the Lord. No, it was not to the benefit of the system of the day. Until they deliberately made sure so umba be good I was many with Bedukobi, Ubinim, but I was the main person. They used almost more than 3 months to say things about me and my sorry, my family, my workers are not back. Who knew another womb. But my so for my D for an idea. I do the beer, Sebia Mecassa, and I'm here to my answer. We age to honor my if Fibia. Yes, bro.
Oh. Meso mun trying to mama na e trying to mama na mun frɛ prophet bi mama na ye mon komo na ye hwɛ 5:07 ye ne prophet Nigel Gaisie e bon komo na em se call bi ba be see mu nti ye nsan enkonko fa biem na ye ne ne ento aso na ba bia na oka kɔ na odc point so amaye pa na odc point so amaye pa inti anwane kate yesemo a nyame adom yasenya eye prophet line e wo line no so prophet batwe de fa che ehomane etikoye.
That's fine. Like I was saying, I was the main targeter. Almost targeting me. I mean, my sorry and for a woman home. And after Kennedy year in area, for a consistent and continuous time, that young man, Kweku, he attacked me, attacked my reputation, and the intention was, Omo Yama, mas sorry, ego. And I say, be an am de draw akamano, and I say, be an my Johnny fee, oh my God, but Yamiadom, Bible said, Nyami said, Matthew chapter 16, verse 8, or see, Messi Masafo, but some other pon ain't mean tune faso. Yamiad Masoni Janahonomo, and an Yomojane ambassa, but maybe one home piano. Now make a tell me say you be pamone fin 2 and guasiemo. And as will be a D4, then a tres ye D4. Ni all canon, ebe man, net so ye D4. Intermediate and yammy the say see, but Okan Galatians chapter 6, verse 7 or sin ni pabeguno, obecha. Into Kweku de ono do nya hu hwe. Kweku de onya hu hwe. Obesre anso wadi anso wafias atiasefo ata we so
ya pamu nyina bibi besa sibiem.
Yes, me say Kweku anan obesre se Kweku anan ansre ndi anko round ambegia na ye mubi no na nyameni ye ndi ni yi na ye mubi no oso ne asase ene ye ndi ni yi na ye mubi no ye nsi asori dan emma Jesus Christ ye na ye mubi no souls ne ye wini manyame no na enye nyame ne ye wini ama no. But say Jesus there, na sami na krepa dia, Kweku anan onye hu hwe. Bible say, obetia ye kasenia ye njuma etie. Nti wo ye young man, na obe yusu obi platform, anya okra platform, e denigrate to fellow young men. Last 2 weeks, I say, suffer back or more attacking. As I speak with you, suffer at the hospital, your friend say, Kofodia. And ye moving your sorry bubom pay to your bills, and come over to Gan 90 asempa, not so for no woo. The attention and the target was say, Ombe Yama, a beer, ye movie the draw, ebe kayano. But Nyamiadum over the past 2 years, ye jinaono, Ubin Masori jinaono, Bedukobi asori jinaono, Nyamiadum so kakra Nyami person the mamma, or the amami, but Nyame catches our branch and say, Onya home here, because Obibi or them and Sabe Kanyamia Safo. And I say Nyami di for no a tre and a credia. Yes, will be woman according to Matthew chapter 27, Matthew chapter 28 there. Bible says except what I say, Nyanipa be go no be chat. Intermediate American, American, Abem.
Prophet na my show we enye curse.
Oh, enye curse. Bible na ye juma.
Nigel Gaisie and yet ede ebaye na ha attention TV so mamenka o second Varsity Foundation and access na de dwumede esomo attention TV so woni oni bia janka mobrewa ehusia kuna nwi kunafo anakwen Varsity ohwe anything ya kase de bia no your donations are never too late anything number no 0548302985 aha ana na edimu ebesi ma moni hwa monite yedas